Yo, check this out, y'all. They say it's something with the gravity.
Gravitational pull.
Yeah, it's like a gravitational pull or something that's going on right now. And you can stand your broom in the middle of the floor. Like, what is this? Y'all gotta try this. It's only today. So I'm gonna try and get this video up real quick for y'all so y'all can try this. This is crazy. Look, it ain't even holding on to nothing. See, look.
February 10th.
Yep, look at this. Nothing. Now watch this. Put in a whole nother place. Is it the gravitational pull leaving or something?
No, there's less gravitational pull.
Look. See? See, ain't nobody holding it. None's holding it up.
See, look.
Look. My little brother got his hand going over there.
Nada.
It's crazy. Y'all tell me what y'all think, or have y'all tried this yet today? What's today's date? February the 9th?
The 10th.
Oh, it's the 10th? Yeah, today's February the 10th. So tomorrow it might not work, but I'm going to get the video out for y'all real quick so y'all can go ahead and take a look at this and try it for yourself. Because, boy, this is crazy to me. All right, y'all. Bye.